Okay, so today's problem is this. This one, it looks kind of complicated. Yeah, it looks kind of hard, but it will be so simple when you know how to do it. So let's see. So 10 power of 0 equals to 1. Yeah. And then 2 times 1 is 2 divided by 3 over 1. So you just need to add 2 in the bottom like this, and then you just change this divided by sign to multiplication sign. So like this, yeah. And then you need to swap this to top and the bottom. So I'll show you how to do it. So 2 and then 1 multiply by 3 and then 1. So if it's equals to 6 and 1, which equals to 6. So we need to just add like this together. So 6, what is 6 plus 8? 14, yeah? 14, and then you just add 1. So the answer gonna be 14 or 14 and 1. So simple, right?